Hello everyone, today I will be replacing the cartridges for HP OfficeJet Pro 8600 Plus. First of all, you need to order the ink cartridges of the required size. So I have ordered the non-HP one, 950XL and 951XL. It has two black cartridges and you can order from Amazon. So first of all, to check the ink level, you can click this button and you can see the different levels, but I'm replacing all of them to show you. So first of all, you need to open this door. So all you have to do is pull it up, and then you can see the ink cartridges coming over towards you. All it needs is a gentle push, so just push on it and you will have this ink cartridge, and you can take a new one in this way. So if you touch this, it can lead to malfunction, so please do not touch it. There was an yellow strip over here, it was to be removed. You can follow the instructions on the cartridges that you buy and gently slide and then push it a little bit. Okay, and now it is fit into place. And before you order, you can also check the size instructions over here on the back of the door, and this one is yellow one. Push it a little bit and it comes out. Then you need to add the yellow cartridge and then push it gently. Okay, and the similar way the blue cartridge, you can take it out and take a blue cartridge which is a new one, slide it and then push it gently. Replace the last one, slide it and push it gently. Okay, now all of these are fit into place. Now you just need to close this door. So there will be a note, just ignore this, press on OK. So it's going to prepare the printer with the cartridges. So it takes 5 minutes in order to prepare the printer. It will flush the ink and check if it is compatible. Although it has identified that it is a non-HP cartridges, it will still work. And I did not order HP cartridges because those are like 3 times more expensive than the non-HP ones. You can click on this and as you can see, all the levels are high. This one is black and the level is up to the top, not clearly seen in the video. Anyways, this is how you replace the cartridge for HP OfficeJet Pro 8600 Plus. If you have any other video request, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.